What can $40 get you in Shenzhen, one of the busiest and most expensive cities in China? For me, it got me one night in this hotel with a big free breakfast, a gym, laundry and drying service, airport pickup and drop off, and even some extra services. That sounds almost too good to be true, right? So today, I'm going to take you inside and show you exactly what this $40 hotel in Shenzhen looks like. Let's check it out. Hello morning guys, it's almost 8:30 and now I'm going to eat my breakfast and I'll show you what exactly this hotel's breakfast is. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I like to place my clothes on the one bed and I sleep the other one. This is why I always book a double bedroom. Look at these. Coffee maker. Today's breakfast is actually pretty good. They have sausage, congee, corn porridge, cabbage and broccoli, stir-fried green beans, tofu with mushrooms, fried rice noodles, boiled eggs, and all kinds of Cantonese breakfast dim sum. There's also a noodle station where you can get noodles or rice noodles cooked fresh. And over here, they have some small pastries, fruit and salads. Not bad, right? Salad, everything you got. Hello, today I'm gonna show you the hotel where I stay for 3 nights. Just follow me. This is the gym. It's not very big, but it has the basic equipment. Treadmills, ellipticals, spinning bikes, a power rack, and some dumbbells. For a quick workout during a business trip, I think it's enough. And honestly, for a $40 hotel, having a gym like this is already pretty good. Here's the self-service laundry room. They have 4 washing machines and 4 dryers, and it's free for hotel guests to use. Here we are. Open the door. Dang dang dang. Come in. This is a double bedroom. I actually like staying in this kind of room by myself because I can use the other bed to put some clothes and personal items. It just makes everything easier to grab. In the bathroom, there are 2 shower options, a rain shower and a handheld shower head. Push the button. Or this one. Coming cool. The shower feels really comfortable. And next to the shower room, that is toilet. The bathroom is not very big, but it is totally enough. This is the sink area. Hi, hello. And dryers here. Inside the drawer, there's a comb and a small toiletry kit. Cap, vanity kit, comb. This is comb. And this is a mini bar.
Mini bar.
The mini bar comes with free drinks every day.
This is a double bedroom because I love to put my clothes and pants on the one bed and I sleep the other. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, look at this.
And here, they also provide some cups and tea bags.
Water. Oh.
You can even make pour over coffee here.
Yeah, coffee bean and cookies inside. And this is working area, I think. Working area. Very good. And this is for control the light. The light. Oh. And this is for curtain. You see curtain button? If you do this, oh, automatically close. Okay, let me just open it. Yeah. Look at the outside of the window. The airport is just over there, so it's easy to see flight here.
Thanks for coming with me today. I will see you in the next video.